Well, we're at the lake here, and the dogs are swimming. Roxy, come on. Good job. Me and my bright ideas, right, Thatch?
Uh-oh.
There they go. Go, let's go. Go swimming. Oh, careful, Rennie. My baby. Go swimming. Go, Rippy, go swimming. Go find something. Where the fishies? They're in there. We saw one jump. There you go. Good boy, Rippy. Good boy. Oh, don't grab that stick. Good job, buddy. Good job, Rippy. Good boy. What do you guys think? Good boy. Go swimming, Ridley. Go swim. Go swim. You too, Rox, if you can.
They go in the water.
Yeah, we don't want to fall in the water.
No.
No, we don't. Ridley, you can't have that stick, honey. It's stuck on the ground. Oh, Rox.
I hear Bookie.
Oh, Rennie.
Ow.
You don't jump this way, Roxy. Go around. Go around.
I'll help her get out like this.
Oh, it's sure a pretty day. In the 70s. Woo, go Rennie! Ridley's determined to get the stick. Oh, Riddles. It's deep. Yup, be careful. Be careful. Good boy. Good boy, my flaquito. Ridley. Yeah, you skinny boy. Come on. Oh, see, good jump, Rox. Easy, Rox, though. Roxy likes the water too. There she goes. Good girl, Roxy. Good job, you guys. What an adventure, huh? Rachel's Rockin' Ranch Adventures. I hope you guys are having a great day, animal lovers. Ridley, what are you doing? You're determined, aren't you? Yeah. Rennie, get out of there. Baths for everybody today? Yes. I think so. Rachel's Rockin' Ranch Adventures. Woohoo! Say hi.
Hi.
We sure had fun, didn't we? Have a great day, animal lovers.